Lesson 1 of the Aquatic Invasive Species Middle School Curriculum and Activity Guide includes a stream or pond ecology activity. The activity takes place at the edge of a body of water. We recommend you have students bring rubber muck boots or a spare pair of shoes in case feet get wet. If your school is not located near a body of water, Appendix A provides an activity that you can do with your students to simulate the results you would get from doing the field portion. Stream or pond ecology field tests can be an easy and fun way to help get your students outside and allow them to test their science skills. Prior to the activity, we recommend you introduce levels of ecology, abiotic versus biotic, and food webs. This will help students in their observations during the field activity. For the experience, you are going to need the following: field study worksheet, a way to sample the macroinvertebrates in the water such as kick nets or strainers, thermometer for testing the air and water temperature, copies of the benthic macroinvertebrate sheet. We recommend you laminate these to prevent water damage. If you do not have these supplies but still would like to provide this experience for your students, several loaner kits are available at the Sioux Falls Outdoor Campus, Rapid City Outdoor Campus, and 4-H offices. Once you have all the supplies, you are ready to begin the lesson. Take your students to the edge of a body of water.
All right, class, today we're going to be doing a water ecology biosurvey. Prior to us getting into the water, we're going to go around the pond, and I'm going to give you about 3 minutes. You're going to just take a look around, observe any life that you're seeing, just anything that you notice about the pond itself. And after those 3 minutes, we're going to go ahead and come back here, and then we'll take temperature surveys of the water. While students are observing, this is a good time for you as the instructor to lay out the materials you will have students using for the benthic macroinvertebrate survey. Now that your students have done the initial observations, students should be given a good amount of time to explore the creek looking for benthic macroinvertebrates. As the instructor, it can be beneficial to help them understand how to look for them. I like to pick up a rock or two to show them what is under it. You can usually find a caddisfly larvae, mayfly nymph, or snail. Also showing them how to use the kick net or strainers can give students a good idea of how these can best be used. After allowing students time to search and take notes on their findings, bring the group back together for a final data roundup. Following this field activity, you can debrief the experience with students in the class and wrap up. If you find yourself in need of equipment for this program, contact the outdoor campus closest to you. Visit the link on the screen to learn more about the Aquatic Invasive Species curriculum and the other lessons you can integrate into your classroom.